So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of Platinum here on Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, if you guys are a new user, I can show you guys my referral code right here. So if you use this referral link, the link is also down below. You guys get some money when signing up, so do I, and you also get a chance to win a home. So everyone kind of wins in this scenario. But to invest in Platinum, go to the bottom left, press on the search icon, then go to the top and type in ticker symbol PPLT. Now, pressing on this stock right here, this ETF, it's Platinum, physical Platinum, which is great. It is a US listed fund. So if you want to do your research and perhaps find a Canadian one, that's okay. I don't have one off the top of my head, but for this example, it works kind of the exact same way. Go to the bottom left, select your account. I'll go non-registered as an example. Then go to the bottom right and press on trade, and then press on buy. On this page right here, you can go ahead and go to the top right, and it's just simplest here if you just go to market buy. This way you can either do full shares or fractional shares. So in this case, if I wanted to invest $1, for example, 1 USD, that's how much shares it's going to be. I'll press on review. Now, once you guys are on this page right here, as I told you guys before, this is a U.S. traded ETF, so there is going to be a currency exchange fee. But you can all go ahead here, see how much the cost would be in Canadian dollars. Go to the bottom, press on Q or press on buy, and that's how you guys can buy fractional shares of Platinum here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.